We are going to start this demo by onboarding a new tenant onto Alcion's AI-driven data protection platform. The Microsoft 365 admin logs in with their existing credentials and grants access to Alcion to be able to back up and restore data as well as to gather security signals from Microsoft 365. The admin then picks the region where they want their data and metadata to be located. Alcion then starts to discover what exists in the user's Microsoft 365 environment, including users, shared mailboxes, SharePoint sites, and Teams. Alcion has a quick start button that allows you to protect all the discovered resources in one click, but we will come back to that later. Moving to the users page, an admin can set backup policies for all users, including the ability to apply the backup policy to newly created users, apply backup policies to individual users, or just run manual backups for a few select users. We can also see all users, backup statistics, and overall compliance scores on this page. For this demo, we will use the Quick Start button to enable automated backups for all users, shared mailboxes, SharePoint sites, and Teams. On the home page, we will see updated cards and compliance scores that will improve as backups complete, and in progress and recent activity. In fact, it looks like one of the completed backups triggered a security incident. When we click through to the incident page, you will see that Alcion detected malware for a user named Adele. This was test malware files we had injected into the system, and Alcion reports where the malware was added. Alcion automatically eliminates detected malware from backups, and, at this point, the admin can go delete these from the underlying location and then dismiss the incident. Moving back to the users page, you can see that Adele's backup has just completed. By clicking on the user, you can see the contents of the backup, including emails, files, calendars, and contacts. These backups are also indexed, and, if needed, we can easily search within the backup for data. In this demo, let's assume we had accidentally deleted an image and we want it back. We have multiple restore options available, including downloading to the user's computer, or within Microsoft 365, restoring to a different location, the original location, or an entirely different user. It's really that simple to do a granular restore. While we wait for the restore to complete, we can also quickly look at the other backups. Starting with shared mailboxes, we see Alcion protecting emails, calendars, and contacts. We similarly protect SharePoint and its document libraries and messages in Teams. The same backup scheduling policy and restore options seen for users also applies to shared mailboxes, SharePoint, and Teams. Now, let's go back to the users page and see how to delete backups. Let's select Adele again for the demo. You would select Delete Backups and could either pick all backups or an individual backup for deletion. However, when you confirm the deletion, Alcion will not immediately go and delete the backup but will instead delay it for later. Going to the activity page, we first see that the restore we had recently initiated has succeeded. Second, the backup deletion we just initiated is delayed by 2 weeks. You could always cancel this backup deletion if it was an accident or if it was an action performed by a malicious actor. In summary, that was a quick demo to show you how to use Alcion to securely protect your Microsoft 365 data. We encourage you to try Alcion for free. If you have any other questions, reach out to us at any time on Discord.